This is a steel garage door, which we do. There's two types available. You've got an up and over, which is a canopy, or a retractable door. A canopy door is not really designed to be automated. A retractable door is. You can have a retractable door as a manual door, and then possibly at a later date you can automate it. With the steel doors, they fit, 9 times out of 10, we fit them between the brick piers. And the advantage with a steel door, because it's a continuous sheet, there's many different designs which are available to you. You can have them in wood, or you can have them in fiberglass, but the options available to you, the designs and patterns, are quite many. This particular door is a retractable door, and as you can see, one sheet continually going up. Now, the door, as I said before, fits between the brick piers. So you have a steel frame. What we do is we take your old door out and then we fit this one in between. The canopy door, again, which is a manual version, still works the same way with your steel frame. You can fit them behind the brick piers if we've got the room. So that's the critical thing. But 9 times out of 10, where your old door is, we take that out and then we fit a new one. The doors themselves, with the retractable ones, they have the framework, the retractable gear, and the springs fit on the side of the door, whereas with the canopy one, they run along the top. If we come around the back and have a look, then I can show you how the difference works between the two types of doors. So, with the retractable door, which this one is, the main difference between the two, as I said, between a retractable and a canopy, is a retractable door has a framework which is permanently in place. And this supports the door as it's going up. This is your automation here. So this is going to pull the door up, and as it comes up, it's supported here. The springs for the retractable door are always going to be on the side. The canopy door has the spring running along the top. Now, as I said before, they're not really designed to be automated. Some people do it. It's not something which we would certainly jump up and down with joy about. So if you are thinking about having your current door automated, if it's got a frame on it, that's absolutely fine. As long as the door goes up and down smoothly, there isn't going to be an issue. If you've got a spring running along the top of your door on the inside and you haven't got any of this framework, I'd really seriously think about possibly changing the door, because by putting a system called a bow arm on it, it is possible, but it's certainly not an ideal situation. With all the doors we have, they can all be opened from the inside. All the automated doors can be opened from the inside, so that if you do have a power cut, you're never going to be in a situation where the car's the wrong side of the door, because that's when it will happen. It will always happen at the most inconvenient time when you get a power cut. With our doors, they can all be open from the inside. You've got a little red toggle here, and all you're going to do is you're going to pull that, and that just releases the door and then puts it into a manual mode. So you can always do it. Even if you haven't got an internal door, another entrance to the garage, some people don't, then we can connect it so that you have a secure emergency release fitted to the outside of the door. And that's with all our doors. So you're never going to be in a situation where you can't get in or out in the event of a power cut. With the back of the doors, all the doors which we do, they all have the same framework. No matter which design you choose, whether it's wood, whether it's fiberglass, whether it's steel or whatever, the framework of the door is the same. The springs, the track, everything is the same. So you're not losing on quality. It's what determines the price of the door is actually the front. Some fronts are easier to produce than others, but the structure, the strength of the door, the workings of the door is exactly the same no matter which one you choose.